Honorable chairs, esteemed delegates, sehr geehrte Damen und Herren. Fancy Bear, Operation Aura and Ghostnet. Germany wants to be fair and not outright Russia and China as the governments behind these hacker attacks on German and Western interests. Sorry, Russia and China. We want to be fair and not any governments behind these hacker attacks on German and Western interests. The past is now our lesson, the future our motivation. We, Germany, the country of BMW, Adidas, Siemens, Leo, and of world-class human capital. We will stand up against the new digital threats, strengthen our democracy and, together with our European partners, seize the opportunities that the technological changes bring. The best way to predict the future is to create it. Stand with us. Dankeschön.